Ted's son rebuilt a luggage carrying car, railroad car from the turn of the century.
That was very cool.
It won Eagle Scout Project of the Year.
Really?
Did it?
Yeah. so-
Nationally?
Yeah, well, it's going up nationally this month. It was national, it's a national award for the Daniel Webster Council. Now it's going up for the New England region, and then it'll go up for the national. But
Nice.
it was a
Awesome.
pretty they hadn't made the award in 3 years. So that they gave one award out of 460 scouts, and he got it.
Excellent, excellent.
We were shocked.
And we donated money for nuts and bolts to put the thing back together.
Yeah.
Every night Ted would come home and he'd take stuff apart. The next morning Alex would try and put it back together. That's why the event took so long.